Welcome to Moorish Cuisine, my desi kitchen with the Western touch. Today I'm sharing the recipe of Thailay Walay Bun Kabab. Tangy and spicy mixture of potatoes and lentils. Serve with burger buns. Yum! Serve with fried egg, sliced onion, a tangy yogurt dip. Let's go and cook it. So for this yummy bun kebab recipe, the things we need will be soaked gram lentil chane ki dal. You soak it for 4 to 6 hours. I did it overnight. Then you need 8 to 10 whole red chilies, a tablespoon of each ginger and garlic, a teaspoon of cumin. Then I'll be using 2 medium-sized potatoes. Just peel and boil them, and 1 medium-sized onion. And then I have these few seasoning: a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of chaat masala, then 1.5 teaspoon of amchur or khatai powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 beaten eggs which we're gonna use later to dip in, and few hamburger buns. You can use without sesame seeds one, but I have these ones. So for the first step, we're gonna use these ingredients with onion, and let's go and start our bun kebabs. So first, in a pot, add lentils, whole red chilies with ginger and garlic, cumin seeds, chopped onions, and then add enough water to cook until the lentil is fully tender. So when lentil is done, just drain the water, let it cool a bit, and transfer it into a chopper. Meanwhile, mash the boiled potatoes and keep it aside. Then chop the lentil until it turns into a fine paste. Transfer it into a mixing bowl with the mashed potatoes. Add salt, chaat masala, khatai powder, and garam masala. Start mixing it with your hand until everything is fully combined. Now take a spoonful of mixture we made, smooth it out and make a smooth ball, and then start flattening it out on your palm. Make sure the edges should be smooth and no cracks are there. Because it has a potato, it won't take a lot of time, and your edges should be thinner than the middle part, and your patty should have no crack, otherwise it's gonna break down when you fry, and it should look something like this. Now repeat the same process and finish up all your mixture and make these flattened patties for your bun kebabs. Now make a tangy yogurt dip. I'll be using this green chutney, which I leave the link down below. Add 2 teaspoons in a yogurt, some salt, and whip the yogurt until it's fully mixed, and add the water if you want, and consistency should be thinner so we can spread easily. Then toast the buns on the griddle. I didn't use any oil, just spray some oil if you want. Now beat the egg. It should be fluffy. The main essence of the bun kebab are all these bubbles which comes up when you beat the egg. Dip the patty inside and shallow fry it on hot griddle. If you have a hot plate, that would be additional. Otherwise, use the griddle like I use. When it's done from the bottom, just turn it, flip it, and let it cook from the other side as well. Now the assembling part, take a yogurt dip and apply it on the bottom of the toasted bun. Put the patty on top, apply the dip on the other part as well, and put some on top of the patty. Put the sliced onion, cover it with the top, and it's done. So here you are, yummy, tangy, spicy bun kebab served with ketchup or yogurt dip. I added a fried egg for my husband. He loves egg at the bun kebab. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'll see you next time. And yes, don't forget to subscribe. It's totally free. You can get updates and recipes right in your mailbox.